simple piece of wood, usually available in a factory. What I will do is, when I press the trigger, the vacuum valve will. I'm using Abranet abrasive with a multi-hole, which is absolutely brilliant for sanding round curves and things like that. Nice sand up here now. Even on plug the back, of course. What we'll do is we'll do the same. We'll insert the rag into the vacuum hose, part of the rag. And so you can see that we're actually removing material. 20 seconds. Count 20 seconds. Yeah. What you'll see is the build-up of dust on there. That's with the Abranet.